Tulog lang. Tulog lang. Nabato niya yan. Kami nabato niya yan.
Masuloy ka mga hindi lang. Mga DJF, hindi lang.
Yun. Yes, raise our hands there. Request ko lang sa inyo, as I pray you, as ka ikinta ka mo, repeat after me. Don't repeat after me, answer me. Yes, I do. Kung if you do you renounce Satan and all wrongdoing? No!
Aldrin, na ano ka?
Do you choose to follow Jesus as your Lord? No! Repeat after me, Lord Jesus Christ. I want to belong to you from now on. I want to be free. From the
Tama na.
Close your eyes. Allow yourself to talk to your God. Nasa God din. God, so where we get actually with your face nakamalit na daw kayo.
Offer myself to you. I want to be with you evermore. Lord, I want to be together with you. Right by your side, I will stay worshiping you all day. Everything I will do for heaven is sweet in my heart.
So yun, nakabatag mga kasing gift tonight.